G'day guys, and welcome back to another Goldie and Robbo clip. Look, today it's Easter, it's happy Easter, and today I thought I'll do a nice lamb stew. So it's a cracking recipe, it's a pretty simple one. Look, if you want to be sneaky, go down to the back of the clip. I have put the recipe out there for everyone, but the step-by-step, pretty easy, pretty quick. Let's do it. Robbo, if I can get you, I've got about, I think about a kilo of diced up lamb there. I'm just going to put it in some flour and salt and lightly dust that, and then we'll fry that off. But I'll get you to do that for us, mate, so I don't want to get my hands dirty. Whack that on, just whack it on there. What I'm going to do is basically fry up the meat. I'm going to fry up all the hearty sort of vegetables as well. So I've got a bit of potato. I've got about 3 or 4 potatoes there, an onion and a couple of carrots. Fry all those up together with a bit of garlic. And then we'll go to sort of our wet ingredients, but let's do that in the camper oven. Got a couple of cloves of garlic. Whack those in, mate. Got some lamb seasoning there. Whack that in, about that much. Holy dooly, that's hot. Some smoked paprika. Oh, about that much again. And some pepper. So put that in. About that much again. Fry that in. I'll put a little bit of wine, probably about a cup of wine in. Oh my God. Keep going, keep going. A good cup. I don't know how much is a cup. Who drinks wine? I don't even drink. Okay, you drink wine. Righto, so I'll mix all that up and then I'll put in some beef stock. Let that all stew together, mate. It'll be absolutely fantastic. All right, so I've got about 2 cups or 1.5, 2 cups of beef stock. Whack that in as well. Woo, that's hot. I'll chuck in a tin of crushed tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste, and, oh, you're gonna do it for us, are you, mate? Look at you go, you're actually helpful. Whack that in there for us, mate. Beautiful. Oh, yep, no, you take that. A little bit of tomato paste, it's not open. Look at that. We'll put that in there. I'm going to put it in there for a few hours, so a good 3 hours, I reckon, just on low simmer heat. But we'll pull that out in about 3 hours. I'll check on it about probably another hour or so, but pull it out in about 3 hours. That'll be absolutely fantastic. You want a chili? Right, 1.5 hours in, we'll chuck in some pumpkin and also some mushrooms. Filming. We'll leave that on probably for, I reckon, another 2 hours, and then we'll check it again. But important just to leave it slow, low cooking. That's all you need to do. And we'll crack some more beers and we'll get into it. All right, there you have it. That's been about 4 hours. 4 hours? It's been about 4 hours. So we'll check this out. That looks all right. Oh, that looks all right.
Smell it, eh?
That looks all right. Have a look at that. I'll put some peas and corns and stuff like that in it. Just boost it up a little bit. There you go. Like I said, this is a nice hearty stew. It is simple. I won't say quick, but it's simple. Put it on the fire. Takes nothing. Leave it there. Set it. Forget it. It takes 4 hours. Do what else you have to do. Get drunk like we are.
About 10 beers. 4 hours
It's
is
about
10 beers.
10 beers time, but it's a comfort food, so try it out. You want to try it out?
It's going to be hot. Can
It
we
is.
press pause for a second? Where are we recording?
Right, taste test it.
It's hot though.
Is it tender, at least?
The meat is really tender, like it's butter.
Yeah. It's pretty nice. Like I said, it's pretty simple
The
dish.
gravy is. I keep saying this, but it's really nice.
It is nice.
We're going to do a few clips this weekend, aren't we?
We are. We've got a few clips on the go, but check them out. Check out the other ones, and if you can, do the whole like and subscribe sort of thing. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.